Waiters and dreamers, ones who do not know how to start. Or is there a need to reorganize? For you too, this ebook. Have you ever had an idea that kept you up at night? Not just a fleeting thought, but a real spark, something you know could change the game, solve a problem, or even just make life a little easier for people? And then, doubt creeps in. How do I even start? What if I fail? Is this even worth it? You're not alone. Starting an online business feels like standing at the top of the mountain. The possibilities are endless, but the first step? That's where most people get stuck. This ebook is your life raft and compass, a practical, no-nonsense guide to turning your idea into a real, thriving online business. No fluff. No empty promises. Just clear steps, actionable advice, and the tools you need to get moving. From idea to income, your step-by-step playbook. This isn't just another get-rich-quick guide. It's a hands-on manual for beginners, designed to help you. White heavy checkmark sketch your idea, turn that vague thought into a clear, actionable plan. White heavy checkmark validate your concept, so you don't waste time or money on something no one wants. White heavy checkmark calculate costs, because every great business starts with a budget, even if it's just your time. White heavy checkmark innovate smartly, how to stand out in a crowded market without reinventing the wheel. White heavy checkmark get real feedback, so you can refine, improve, and grow before you launch. White heavy checkmark take the first step, because momentum is everything. What's inside? This ebook is your toolkit, packed with Pushpin, a step-by-step framework to take your idea from what if to here's how. Pushpin templates and checklists, so you're not starting from scratch. Pushpin real-world examples, because seeing how others succeeded or failed is pure gold. Pushpin budgeting basics, so you know exactly where your money is going. Pushpin feedback loops, to ensure you're building something people actually want. Why this ebook? Because you don't need a fancy degree, a huge budget, or even years of experience to start. You just need heavy checkmark, a willingness to learn. Heavy checkmark, the courage to take the first step. Heavy checkmark, a clear roadmap to follow. This ebook is that roadmap. The big idea. Online businesses aren't just for the chosen few. They're for anyone with an idea, a laptop, and the drive to make it happen. So, are you ready to stop dreaming and start doing? Your journey starts here. Rock it. Next steps. Want to turn your idea into a business?